Welcome to Vedikarna. Today, we'll explore an insightful sales profit and customer metrics dashboard designed to provide a comprehensive snapshot of business performance. Here's a quick overview of the dashboard. At the top, we have the key metrics section, showcasing sales, profit, customer count, and target achievement to give an immediate overview of business performance. On the left, slicers for quarter and month allow you to interactively filter and analyze the data as per your needs. Moving to the first, a sales versus target by month chart, highlighting monthly trends and achievements. Next, a customer count by month line chart to track customer growth and to understand seasonal performance. Below that, the customer satisfaction score is breakdown to categories like speed, quality, service, hygiene, and availability, helping to identify key focus areas. On the bottom right, a profit versus sales by region chart helps analyze regional performance, while a sales by country map provides a geographic view of your revenue distribution. That's a quick overview of this visually impactful dashboard. Now, let's jump into the step-by-step process of creating it from scratch using Excel. Let's start by preparing the data. First, rename the worksheet as Data. Then, go to the Home ribbon, select the data range, and click on Format as Table. Select any one table design. Format the values in the sales, profit, and target sales columns to the comma-style format. Remove grid lines for a cleaner view by deselecting the Grid Lines option under the View tab. Next, we'll add two calculated columns for month and quarter. For the month, we'll use the formula equals text select a data cell MMM. For the quarter, we'll use equals Q and round up. Month formula select a data cell divided by 3, 0. Enter data is ready. Let's build a pivot table to analyze the data. Go to the Insert tab and click on Pivot Table. Select the data range and choose to place the pivot table in a new worksheet. Rename the worksheet as Pivot. Next, we'll create a Sales vs Target Sales by Month table. In the Pivot Table fields, drag month to the rows area. Drag sales to the values area. Drag target to the values area. Remove grid lines for a cleaner view. The table header, Sales vs Target Sales by month. Table values format as 0.0 K, showing a values in thousands. Next, we'll create a customer count by month table. Copy existing table and paste it. In the pivot table fields, drag month to the rows area. Drag number of customers to the values area. Change format as general number format. Next, we'll create a profit versus sales by region table. In the Pivot Table Fields pane, drag region to the rows area. Drag sales to the values area. Drag profit to the values area. Apply 0.0 K format for showing of values in thousands. Next, we'll create a satisfaction scores table. In the Pivot Table Fields pane, drag Customer Satisfaction to the Rows area, drag Satisfaction Score to the Values area. Change format as General Number format. And sort the table values in descending order of score. Next, we'll create a Sales by Country table. In the Pivot Table Fields pane, drag Country to the Rows area, drag Sales to the Values area. Apply 0.0 K format for showing of values in thousands. To make this table dynamic, copy and paste it below. Use the equals Get Pivot Data function. Pivot cell reference to pull values automatically. Change the cell reference. Drag the formula down using Ctrl+D to apply it to all rows. Apply 0.0 K format for showing of values in thousands. Next, we will create tables for key metrics charts. Drag Sales Completion Rate, Profit Completion Rate, Customer Completion Rate, all fields to Values area. In the Values section, set to Average all fields. Convert into percentage. Below, make a duplicate table, link values. We will calculate the pending percentage values for each average rate. Formula equals one cell. Convert into percentage. Next, we will create table for key metrics. Create two headers, metric and total. Under the metric header, list items such as sales, profit, number of customers, and target sales. In the total column, link each total value by referencing the grand totals from the pivot tables. Dollar currency format. Let's move on to designing the dashboard layout. Add a new sheet, rename the sheet to Dashboard for clarity. In the View menu, uncheck Grid Lines for a clean workspace. Insert a background shape. Go to Insert Illustrations, Shapes, and choose a rectangular shape. Drag and resize the shape to your desired size. Remove the outline and add a shadow effect for a polished look. Use additional shapes to design sections, ensuring uniform color codes and sizing. Repeat this for a consistent theme and align it. Adding title and logo. Insert a text box and type Sales Profit and Customer Metrics Dashboard. Format style it with a bold Calibri font, size 36, and the same theme color, and align it. For each section, insert a label. Place the text box at the top in Key Metrics. Then give name like Sales, adjust the font size, color, and alignment. No outline. Profit, customer count, target. Next below, let's add total values. Insert the box equals and link them to the pivot table values. Adjust the font size, color, and alignment. Each key metrics section, insert a donut charts using pivot for percentage values. Go to Pivot Table, select Table, like average of sales completion rate and pending values. Insert a donut chart, cut and paste it into Dashboard Sheet. Align it neatly under the key metrics section. Set no fill and no outline. Donut hole size set as 67%. Add text box into center of the chart and link values using pivot table percentage values. Adjust the font size, color, and alignment. Follow the steps each key metrics. Next, insert chart sales versus target by month. Go to the pivot table for sales by target by month. Insert a clustered column chart. Click OK. Cut the chart and paste it into the dashboard area. Resize the chart to fit the layout. Format the chart. Remove grid lines, chart borders. Set gap width 31%. Add data labels for better readability. Change the bar colors. Select a color, example blue and light white. Set the title to Sales Versus, Target by Month, and format it. Font, Calibri, bold. Align to the left for a professional look. Next, graph. Customer count by month. Go to the pivot table for customer count by month. Select the data. Go to Insert a line chart cut and paste the chart into the dashboard. Format the chart. Align it within the dashboard frame. Hide unnecessary elements and remove grid lines. Click Markers. Enable smooth lines. Add markers with contrasting colors, like blue. Align it within the dashboard frame. Set the title to Customer Count by Month and format it. Add data labels and format it. Next, Graph. Customer Satisfaction Scores. Go to the pivot table for Customer Satisfaction Scores. Select the data. Go to Insert, Recommended Charts, Funnel Chart. Click OK. Cut and paste the chart into the dashboard. Format the chart. Align it within the dashboard frame. Set the title to Customer Satisfaction Scores and format it. Next, no shape, fill, no outline. Change bar color, dark blue. Next, graph, profit versus sales by region. Go to the pivot table for profit versus sales by region. Insert a stacked bar chart. Follow the same steps as previous charts. Add data labels. Reverse the order of bars for better readability. Go to Pivot, select Table, More Sort Options, set Profit Descending. Format the chart and title as Profit versus Sales by Region. Align it within the dashboard frame. Set bar gap width 65%. Adjust the font size. Set a colors. Then no shape, fill no outline. Next, go to the pivot table for sales by country. Insert a map chart. Select the data. Go to Insert, Recommended, Map Chart. Click OK. Cut and paste the chart into the dashboard. Format the chart. Got legend options. Set bottom. Set the title to Sales by Country and format it. Use contrasting colors for each slice. Add data labels. Adjust the font size, color. Let's. Adding slicers. Go back to the pivot table. Go to Insert then Slicer and select quarter and month. Cut and paste the slicers into the dashboard. Format the slicers. Resize and position them neatly. Use consistent colors matching the chart color scheme. Remove borders for a clean look. Next, let's adjust the slicer to fit perfectly into the dashboard layout. Connect slicers to all pivot tables. Right-click the slicer. Select Report Connections. Check all the pivot tables linked to the slicer. Let's assign zoom macro for dashboard icon. Adjust the view by clicking the zoom buttons for a full screen, or click again for zoomed out right. Click on its slicer, got slicer settings. Click Hide items with no data. Now our slicer setup is complete. That completes the Sales Profit and Customer Metrics dashboard. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials.